Check out this 2012 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Run all over town without worrying about filling up. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, power mirrors, power windows, stability control. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.